How to log in into Academy Sports Credit Card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into your Academy Sports Credit Card account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in Academy Sports Credit Card Login. Now you have to visit their official website, that is www.academy.com or Academy Sports Plus Outdoors Credit Card. So that is the official website. You have to click on it. Once you land here, head towards the top right. There is this account icon. You have to click on it. Then you will be taken in this page, or you will see this kind of interface there. Click on sign in. Now you will land on the login page. Here you have to enter your credential. First of all, enter your email associated with your account, then click on continue. After that, you may be asked to enter your login credential, that may be your username or password. So enter your username or password, then click on log in. And with that, you will be logged into your Academy Sports Credit Card account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.